Hey, welcome back everybody. Average Model Guy here, bringing you our 1/18th scale Hobby Boss AV-8B Harrier. As you can see, we've gotten a lot accomplished since the last video. I just got on a roll and did not want to stop. As you can tell, I got some paint on it. I got my ejection handle cleaned up in here. Got the rest of the cockpit in there if you can see it. Yeah, she's looking really good. I changed the seat color. I went back to an olive drab. I just did not like the khaki color and kind of give it a worn look. I still got to put seat belts and stuff in there. Got the fuel nozzle painted up. We got our weapon hard points on there. Got the gun pods on. I still need to get those all painted. Got some other knick-knack small pieces that we still need to paint. Come around to the other side. Same on this side, got the gun pod under there done, the rest of the hard points done. Got the rear done. Got it weathered a lot. I'm still probably going to put another coat of paint, maybe another coat of light ghost gray over some of that. I don't know yet. I haven't decided if I wanted to make it deep weathering like I got it, or if I'm going to leave it the way it is. But we'll get that figured out. We still got the decal work we got to do. I think there's some more. I got to build all the missiles and bombs. So that'll be our next step. I'll get those cut up and out, and we'll get those together after I show you. All right, hope you guys are enjoying this so far. I'm really loving this model. Give a good up shot of it here. It is so fun to build. Had another extra 150, 160 bucks. I'd buy another one and do it again. Yeah, because I'm really enjoying building this. It's a lot of fun. So I got my, if you come up here, you can see where I had issues with those marks, or where it came together. I got those all sanded and puttied out, and it's nice and neat and smooth. Got that issue taken care of. I think there's a couple other small spots, like in the rear back here, that I got this smooth back out, and a nice good line across there. Same with back here and here. It was pretty rough, so we got her smoothed out. Good panel lines right there. But yeah, I'll be back with what we got to build next. Alright, we are back with our next steps. Looks like we've got our drop tanks right here that we've got to assemble. Got our Mark 82 snake eyes right here. Got our AIM-9 sidewinders with related fins and housing, I believe, is right down here. Yep, other side of the housing, because they've got it two halves. So yep, we got those, and that's what we got to go ahead and get assembled and ready for paint. I will get these assembled and I will be right back. Alright, we are back with our assembled ordnance and drop tanks, and we got our two drop tanks. Got our Mark 82s, and then we've got our AIM-9s sidewinders. All right, these were kind of a bear to put together. There were so many pieces in each one of these just to get them to look like this. Now I know they made them so the fins would come out, but if they're going to be attached to the jet, there's no point in having them out. So on the first one, I did all the way that we're supposed to and hooked everything up like it was supposed to, but it doesn't, there's no point to it because it's going to stay like that. So anyways, and then these were pretty easy to put together. So I got those all on. I'm going to get some paint on these, and when we get back we'll have paint, and I'll probably put the decals on too while I'm at it. So alright, we'll see you in the next one. Okay fellas, here we go. We got our missiles, bombs, and drop tanks all painted and weathered up. I'll zoom in here. Got some detail work left to do yet, but yep, they are all done. And I'm going to go ahead and get decals on these, and we'll get them put on our jet when we are done. Alright fellas, we're going to call this one done. You can see I got the decals on, got her weathered up really good. Go back inside, take another look at the cockpit, if I can get it to focus on the inside there. Solder our canopy all the way on. And our ordnance on. Decals are on. Got some touch-up work I gotta do. These decals were a pain in the butt. Let me tell you, I was not impressed with them. As you can see, they tore a lot on there. Made it very difficult. I am actually gonna have to go back in. If you can see on that side, the lines on the flaps, I'm gonna have to go back in on this side and paint because they just tore to shreds when I tried to put them on that side. And some of the decals were okay, some of them weren't. But yep, I think we're gonna call this one good, guys, for our Hobby Boss 1/18 scale AV-8B Harrier II. I'll have some good pictures on Instagram. If you're not following me on there, I'm averagemodelguy on Instagram. You can check her out on there. I'll try to have some good pictures posted. I don't know if I'm gonna get that done quite yet, but as you can see, same on this side. It's gonna be a little bit darker on this side. Yeah, here's another example of the decal. Kind of tore right up top there. So it was a little rough, but yep, but we're gonna call this one good and done. Hey, thanks for sticking with me on this huge build. I appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Throw me a like and throw me a comment down there on what you thought of this build. And I will see you in the next one.